okay? Today we're doing a little seafood boil. I had some leftover stuff still from the last one. So I added some crawfish to it. Yeah, crawfish over here. Then I have a few little shrimp. Then I have some snow crab, potatoes, corn, and broccoli. Okay? So let's get to it. I hope everybody is doing lovely today. Oh, and it's in it's lemon pepper crawfish, lemon pepper everything. All right. Yeah, I was running. Hold on. I was running behind today, y'all. Oh, girl. It's leftover shrimps that I had, y'all. Oh, I'm hungry. How was y'all day? I hope y'all had a very good day. My day was eventful.
Count it up.
Very eventful. Y'all. I went outside to check Shoshana's oil. Yeah, I check oil. I do all that. Mommy wears all caps, baby. Today, I had to put on my mechanic cap. So, I go outside, check the oil in her car. Check the oil, added a little bit more oil. We get ready to go to Walmart because there was no water in the house. Oh, I had one little tiger up in there. Y'all. Oh, I forgot. I done made this lemon pepper sauce much simpler for you all. Because I know some of y'all ain't going to get it. So. Oh, wonderful. Anyway, back to what I was saying. We get ready. Go in the car. She's just trying to like, what's that smell? Anyway, ain't paid it no mind. Child, we get to Walmart. Why? I done left the cap off the oil thingy. Oil was everywhere. Why are you shaking your head?
Because you were just like, she was just beating herself up the whole entire time.
Y'all, I'm telling you, like, oh, like me and, I don't make certain mistakes and, where did I put that little tiny, and it's just like, man, you know, like, oh, these fingernails, trying not to, oh, heck, you know. Trying not to, I don't know how I forgot. I don't know how I forgot. Trust me, I don't know. Oh, me and these little things, oh, heck, you know, we don't get along already. I could tell they don't like me because I'm eating them butt tough.
You wait 1 second.
I see it kind of delayed me some.
But all is well.
Yeah, I had to run to the auto store. Suck every juice out of these things. They already tiny as hell. So, oh yeah. It tastes good. So, woo, man, y'all, I was like, oh no. Y'all.
Yeah. She was in the store. How can I do that? How can I do that? I can't believe. I'm like, Mom, breathe. So, okay. But Shoshana, I know what can happen. I'm like, we walk by faith, Mom. Come on, now you're supposed to finish my sentence.
I'm not paying no attention to what you're saying right now. I told y'all when I eat this, I was gonna wear black, right? Yep.
If anything, black showed up worse.
If
anything, black showed up worse. Ain't nothing like dirty black. For real, it's the truth. You better off with a blue or something.
So, anyway, y'all know. Just been busy trying to get everything situated.
You sound real dry.
Huh?
You sound so dry.
I do? I'm so focused on my food right now.
And you probably look so serious.
I'm not, ain't nothing wrong with me. I'm okay. It's just I'm hungry and I'm truly enjoying my food. And this thing is hot, so I'm trying to focus on not burning myself. Y'all, I done have all kind of little burn marks from this thing. This thing be hot.
Pros and cons.
Yeah, so I'm trying not to get. I don't like that, but you know, don't nobody want no cold food. I know I don't. Do you want cold food?
So take the good with bad.
And so it makes me be like this instead of up on my food. I'm like, ooh, okay. Yes, y'all. Let's get to these. So what's new, Shoshana? In Shoshana's world. What's new? What's new? What's new?
I go to work tomorrow.
Oh, yeah.
So
Dad, come on out. Pull it out.
ain't nothing new with me. Basically, same old thing. Oh, I'm trying to learn some new things too, you know, with the whole, I'm pretty sure you guys can see the changes, so you already know.
Oh. Hold on. What's in here? Oh, we gonna figure it out today. Oh, we're gonna be in there. Okay. All right.
I knew exactly where it was gonna go. And the garbage. Right.
I ain't know nobody got that.
Right. She really was acting like you really was acting like you was gonna sit there and demolish that thing.
Oh,
You
I'm about to demolish this food today.
I see. Look how she got that potato.
Y'all, I just want to take. Can we move this? Hold on, cause I need to get busy in my food, and this is like really. It's not. That's what I'm talking about, y'all. So how's everybody day? What y'all doing today? I hope y'all having a good day. It's baby. Boy, I'm telling you, I was having a panic attack.
Almost there. She was like, if she would have got any
you.
bad news, I promise you, it would have been over with. If the guy from O'Reilly was like, well,
This is the last one they had. Boy, like,
she was panicking. You know, it was like,
when I tell you, I'm so happy that he did, because when I checked that oil, it was out.
it splashed everywhere.
All right. What's up, Mama? You good? What you want, a crawfish? Y'all, my kids, I swear, if you got kids, you know how they are. Ooh.
She ain't started on that corn, y'all.
What? No, I ain't started on my corn yet.
You know that's her favorite.
I got butter over there, but I don't need no butter. Ooh. Mm-hmm. This here touching the soul. It's touching it for real. Oh, I feel all that on all that. There it is. Mm-hmm. Y'all give me a little more time. I'm gonna be a pro at this seafood stuff. Yes, Lord. We're gonna have to move close to the ocean. Or we can get nice fresh seafood, Lord.
So that means we're gonna reconsider relocating.
California.
Where you say?
Yes, California.
California. What's so special about Cali? Tell me.
It's where the stars are.
Really?
Not just that.
What else?
I was about to say there ain't nowhere else.
What else, Carmen?
They got more things over there.
They got more what?
They got more.
Yeah, more,
More what?
I don't know. Honestly, I don't know what she's talking about. I like to live there when I can afford it.
I tell you.
Because
California.
I want to have the luxurious life and I live in Canada.
Hold on. California living ain't cheap.
And that traffic, ooh. I heard many things about that traffic.
Well, you know what? I've been there a few times. Yeah, the traffic is coming from LAX.
Mm.
I know when we was there. Oh, excuse me, y'all. Ooh. Coming from LAX, that traffic was, whoa.
It's not like we ain't used to it though. We do got Chicago traffic.
It ain't like that.
It ain't like that.
It's tough. It ain't like that.
I figured it wasn't though.
But LA is nice. I'll give you that much.
It looks nice, like really nice.
Yeah, it's nice. Nice up there. But baby,
Where you want to travel to?
like what you mean?
Like if
Places I want to visit?
Yeah, like if you had to go to a city, what city would it be?
I don't know. I gotta think about that.
Atlanta for me.
Where you want to go?
Atlanta.
Atlanta.
I live there.
What is in Atlanta?
She just said she wants to live in LA. Now she
No, I
wants to.
didn't.
I mean
Yeah.
California.
No, I did. I'm living in Atlanta. I'm just saying I want to live
She been saying she want to live in
Yeah.
Atlanta. I don't know why. What's down there? The rappers and stuff?
The Love and Hip Hop crew. Go see
I
Rashida.
swear. Right. We can go visit Rashida. Want to go visit Rashida? Pay attention.
Yeah, right.
I am. What? I am.
You just sit there and you're like,
Ooh, I am. I'm gonna pay attention this time because she gets irritated real fast and ain't nobody on that. So I gotta pay attention. Well, let me just put that to the side and snap these things out of there and get busy with it. Look at it. Yeah. Alright. Foodie fam. Ooh.
You so rude.
I'm so sorry.
You gotta
babies.
give him the corn.
I'm so sorry. Here you go, loves. Here. This is for you. Okay? Got it? Hold on. Let me put some sauce on it. I'm terrible. Here. There you go, baby. Alright. I'm sorry, y'all.
So rude.
I ain't give y'all none.
So rude.
Let me give y'all a broccoli. Come on. Open your mouth. I said open. Come on now. All right. You want a potato too? Okay. Open wide. Here come the choo-choo train. Open wide. Okay. What's the shine?
So childish.
Y'all, she messing with me. Y'all get her. We have.
Let's see if she can get these crab legs.
I'm These things is like, girl, it's over it.
She didn't even give it a chance.
I'm
She
over
just
it.
broke it.
Yo. I'm so over it. Yeah. And then, it's got juices flying everywhere. I need to sneeze and it's like it won't come out. It's irritating. That ever happened to y'all, man?
Just go ahead, grab that white paper and just.
Oh, I'm a snatch this on my head. Yeah. I told Shoshana I'm gonna snatch this wig off my head. She looked at me like, you must be crazy. That's okay. It's braided good up under that thing. So if I snatch it off, you ain't gonna see nothing but my hair. I'm gonna go get my hair blown out.
You doing this, Ronnie?
What's wrong? Did you do that for your brother? Y'all, there's some good eats today. What's wrong, Mama? You okay? Dad, and I'm trying to grab the little tail. I know that gotta be Shaquan stepping. That boy foot. He downstairs, y'all, and I can hear the floor just shaking. I can feel the floor shaking. Ooh.
Why?
What?
The noise.
Recording.
Didn't he see me doing my makeup or Mika doing my makeup? What's wrong with him? I'm gonna see if I can get this tail right, y'all. Or this leg. Not this tail. Oh, excuse me. Sean, how you get it? Cause I'm for sure not. It won't even do nothing for me. That's a new way to eat it. I'm starting.
That's your
I'm
way.
starting a trend. Like, for real.
I think you're just disrespectful to the crab. You getting the meat out of it? Oh, wow.
Okay.
Well,
What
do
you think?
Do you then? Whatever rocks your boat.
Trust me. I washed all this before I cooked it. So, yeah. Y'all, my baby girl sitting down watching me today. And laughing at her mama. What you laughing at me for, child?
No.
You crazy? You already know that. You already. Why am I squeezing the lemon over there? Can somebody tell me that?
Must be going fast.
Yeah.
What?
One in the corner.
The one? This one? You been watching that one, huh? She been eyeing my thing. Y'all, should I give it to her? Somebody tell me. I'm waiting. All right. I think Foodie Fam said yeah. Give it to her. Okay, Foodie Fam. And ooh, I get these out easy though.
Those are always easy to get out.
Ain't
Give
nobody
me one.
asked you all
Give me
that.
one.
Ain't nobody asked you all that.
She mad.
And who asked her all that?
Jealous?
Look, Cara got the claw out. You got claws, Cara?
I put all them things to the side. What you want? I don't want no fat.
I wanna, give me a
I
crab
want
leg.
some more crawfish.
What?
Give me a crab leg.
I didn't hear you.
Okay, give me a crawfish.
The crawfish good.
Ain't they good though? They really good. You see how nice and kind I am? I shares my food. I shares with everybody.
Look at that.
Y'all. Come on now, you don't play with no games. Right. Just hold it and snap.
Jealous?
She talking about jealous. Y'all.
Jealous? Even the tail, sis.
You too.
You jealous?
Stop it. We all know you an epic fail, man.
Really, Shoshana?
You are.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. I kid you not. I will eat snow crabs till I'm breathing snow crabs till I get it right.
She gonna turn into a snow crab.
I'm gonna turn into one. I'm gonna breathe. When I breathe, I'm gonna be. I don't even know what the hell I'm saying right now, y'all.
A bunch of nothing.
I'm a bunch of nothing.
Just talk.
Just crazy. That's crazy. But it's okay. I'm allowed to be that sometimes. Huh? Oh, my kids. Gotta love them. Okay, I'm gonna try.
Nope. Okay. And you gotta find the shallow end, mama. And then crack it from there.
First, I gotta suck the top off.
Cara like it. That was her first time. I think it was all of our first time having
Cara,
crawfish.
I knew I would love crawfish because I watch crawfish all the time.
You what?
I watch crawfish all the time.
You watch it all the time. What are you watching them things for?
I like watching the fisherman's catch.
You like watching the fisherman catch it? She talking about lemon me, please. Lemon you, please.
Look at her big. That's all you already.
It's okay. You already in it, so it don't make no sense you hiding that.
Just give me the rest of it.
Put your face back here. Put your face back here. Cara, stop being so.
She's such a
Yeah,
goofball.
what?
I'm giving you 2.
No, 3.
Oh,
4.
no, go away. Bye. Ooh, excuse me, y'all. Oops. And I know.
Can I get a quick?
No.
It's more right there. You can give me. Stop being selfish.
I know my girl watching like, I sent her the video. I sent her the video. Cara, I need my scissors. Yeah, y'all, I'm sorry. But it just wasn't happening. And oh, come on out, baby. You know what? This is what I'm going to do all week next week. I'm going to eat snow crab.
Oh gosh.
Mm-hmm. We about to be here all night. Yeah, I'm gonna get it. Do y'all not see that I done finished all my food? Cause it's kind of, yeah. I done finished. Okay. Shoshana, I'm gonna have to ask you to crack the last tooth. Hold up. For real, foodie fam, I can't go down like this.
You doing it wrong. Right towards right there.
Towards the
Yeah,
tail.
and don't crack it so hard. Just
I'm not trying to crack it, but it's
okay.
it's just not happening.
Let me see one. Let me see one so I can demonstrate why you doing it. See, this is what me and my mama had problems. Because she's so hard.
There's something sticking me right there.
It's probably the knuckle.
Yeah. And you know how I feel about anything sticking me. We don't get along.
You see?
Be quiet, I got it.
They
Hold on now, I gotta take this head off.
knuckle.
Whatever.
Gently.
I don't have a
so
gentle bone in my body.
Let me get one. Let me help you.
I don't need no help. Don't need your help. Go away. Leave me alone.
Did she not just ask me though?
Until she started talking smack.
I didn't talk smack. I was trying to guide. What are you doing?
Pushing it in there.
Yeah, crawfish just tasted nasty.
What did you do?
It tasted like seawater. Ugh.
What you think?
No, the other one that I ate, the one that was on the corner, picked.
It didn't taste like.
It's because you picked it.
What? What did I do to it? Like, for real? Hold on, y'all. I don't have time for this. But I'm going to get it.
What's your favorite seafood?
Lobster tail. Lobster tail.
King.
And king crab. Thank you,
I
Cara.
like king crab.
King crab and lobster tail. I don't have to work as hard for my food.
Oh, that's hard. It's
What?
between shrimp, lobster, and crab. That is like the best. The best. I love shrimp though.
Why is this child behind me being creepy?
Shakara is being a bug today, y'all. Look at her in the background. You thought you were slick.
Okay, y'all. Oh, now it's time. So now it's time for my corn.
Wait. Let me go make my seeds and fries first.
I'm hungry. Make me some too.
Yeah.
Yes. See why I waited till that? It's so juicy and sweet.
I'll never know because Jen never gave me one.
Nope.
Nope. I appreciate the honesty.
You're welcome. Y'all, my hands is messy. My fingers. Boy, I know all this makeup, my lips is gone in.
Why you keep looking at me?
Cause I can. Oh, foodie fam.
She can't get enough of me, y'all. You're gonna miss me when I'm gone.
Oh, this hair is like irritating me.
Why don't you just put it behind your ear?
I don't know. But my hand is dirty. You see these fingers right here?
That's true. They all greased up.
My fingers is ugh. Hold on. I gotta wipe that. Oh. Cause I took it off the thing, so it wasn't hot. But I ate all that. Oh, I demolished it. And I have a Coke. My daughter didn't bring me a cup, so we just gonna do it out the can. It's okay. Ooh, excuse me. Y'all, ooh, that is it from me.